Hi everyone, in this video I'll walk you through the updated location details view and highlight the changes to the layout and navigation. While the location list page has already been updated with the new features and action, this update focuses on the experience when opening an individual location. Previously, notes, attachments, actions, and location information were displayed in a more condensed layout, making it harder to quickly locate specific information. With the new design, key location information is now organized more efficiently. On the left side of the page, you'll find a location number and other important location details. You'll also have a quick access to commonly used actions such as add work order, create RFP, deactivate, and delete location. On the right side, you'll find a simplified view for contacts, tickets, work orders, assets, inventory. Notes and attachments have been moved to the upper section of the page for easier access, while documentation and reports are centrally located for improved visibility. Additional management tools are located further down the page, including trade restrictions, merge locations, and the newest feature, the copy rate assignment tab. Overall, the updated location details view provides cleaner layout, better organization, and quicker access to the information and actions you use most often.